Hello Pilipinas. Guys, nandito po ako sa chat, no? And yung first job ko po is ito 938, no? Makikita niyo po sa likuran ko 938G. It's hard starting po, ano. Dito po ako sa truck uppick, ano, Caterpillar chat, no? Makikita niyo po 'yan. So nag-try ko po na i-troubleshoot ito. Stressing po, ano. Actually kahapon sinilip ko na po ito. And kanina tinanggal ko injector to make it sure na na walang sira dun sa mga o-ring ng injector, kasi ang opening po nito, ang nagbubukas ng ng fuel ay oil, po. So tinignan ko na po injector and okay naman siya. Ngayon binalik ko na po ulit siya, and papalitan ko po siya ng filter. So dun sa unang mekaniko po, medyo nahirapan po sila kasi inaabot ng 1 month hindi pa rin siya nagawa, no. So ako'y kararating lang kahapon, and dito nga po itatry kong i-troubleshoot pa rin, no. So gagawin ko muna, papalitan ko muna ng bagong filter ang ito ngayon, and sana po maging okay na siya. Ang problema po, yung actuator niya mababa yung pressure, so it's either na pump yung problema, yung kanyang fuel pump, no. Makikita niyo po yung fuel pump niyan kandiyan sa ilalim. So nga po yung yung first day ko medyo hataw na yung ito, wheel loader na to. Ito yun po yung truck uppick, and so yung mga Caterpillar na unit na po. Kaunting tiyaga lang po. Ganun talaga ang buhay Africa. Buhay mining po. So kailangan po ito matapos before end of this week, no. Hopefully po i-bless sa akin ng Panginoon na matapos to. Kung hindi pa rin po siya i-start ngayon, so baka ang gagawin ko po ay magpalit po ako ng pump niya, ng fuel pump niya, no. Kasi ayoko naman po magtagal dito, no. And hopefully na matapos to. Yung plan ko po ay ngayon and bukas. Yun po yung target ko dito sa sa unit na to. So mga YouTube channel, mga subscriber, maraming salamat po. Back to work na po ulit ako, and huwag po niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko, and kung ano po yung nararating ko sa buhay, and share ko po sa inyo. Okay po, maraming salamat po, and God bless us. And dugtungan ko po itong video na ito maya pa lang po. Okay po, thank you so much, and bye bye for now.
Everything there.
Okay,
Good guys.
see you.
And people, you can do what you can. You are what you want.
Oh,
Not
yes.
like here.
Yeah, so that's nice. That's very nice, no.
Try to discover.
Yeah, I'm going to discover that one. That's yeah, yes, for now I'm a little bit busy, and hopefully my project for today is it will be okay.
You know, here in Chad, we don't have any.
Almost for the weekend.
Stay here.
Weekend.
Okay, hopefully we get the money to pay our creditors. Where's Mustafa? He's not here yet. Okay, but yeah, it's,
So they didn't brought the money for the.
they brought small money. We'll check what we can probably buy the electrical stuff for Chaka, and the parts and things like that, the important things. And then if there's left, we can buy the tiles and the things that, it's not going to make us stop. Okay, that will get, okay, yeah, you said to me the low bed is, the chateau is on?
Yeah.
So we will get some people to pack the last things.
Yeah, the last things, anytime, we just,
Yeah.
the same day they're going, we can load it.
Yeah, but I
We get
think
time,
the one thing that we must check is how many barrels of fuel we can put on.
That's why you wanna put it the fuel first before all this
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah, put it right there at the front. Okay, so that we will just confirm with Usman when he comes in, because it's, I don't know, you cannot take 10 barrels because the truck will eat it on the way. So,
938 is hopefully it will be okay today, and we'll see. We bring the parts already, and Haron is he purchased the parts, and then it's with me also, so
okay.
hopefully it will
I
be
think
fine
that's,
today.
the fact that it's there's light in the tunnel is good. You know, so as soon as that, you know, whether it's enough today or tomorrow, then we can start planning the trip for that 938
Yeah.
out as well. But I think, you know, today we will find out.
We found out if it's
Yeah, and then maybe the two low beds go together or whatever, we check.
Yeah.
You know, because then we don't have to have special escort for one, escort for other one, they can go together.
So if we could go together, it's one score. So
Yeah, yeah. So,
that will be good.
So we can do that. Okay, yeah, we spoke about the fuel, whether we're going to send that up and drive there for the boulder to build 9x6, not 3x2. You know, so that we need to just confirm. Okay, we must. I'm not sure. Muddy's got the fuel.
I think I'm not sure.
Okay, but because I spoke to him yesterday, he said he would bring or call Ishmael, the guy from the brown buggy, to speak about what is in the container, because he was the first controller there. So when he left, he gave it over to Mohammed Saleh, and so he should know what's happened there. So we need to speak to him. But yeah, I'll see, because I need translator. Okay, Maddie's got a couple of things which doesn't really matter.
5th of November.
Yes, he's got something
Need to be
he
done.
spoke to Albert about, some issue that he cannot come before. So he comes on he will fly out on the 5th from Manila. And then after, so by the 5th, it will be full house. You know, so the quiet time will be, because Chaka's going to ask for things. Miski's. Okay, but yeah, as long as the tank is across and the fuel is there, then it's good. You know, whether they went through the river or not. So I think we spoke about building something in the dry season. You know, maybe just
Makarawa muya dulu ka boleh just lewat tahu.
We're entering a truck Africa. Caterpillar Africa.
Today is Friday, no?
It's Friday. Little bit, guys. I think tomorrow is nobody going to work here, right? Saturday, right? Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday, so
Maybe it's Friday now, nobody there.
yeah, nobody there. So yeah, hopefully we can get out our machine today and it will be okay. Guys, napalitan ko na po yung already changed that fuel priming pump, and we'll see if we can start this right now, and you know, hopefully everything is okay, and then start and put it back together, all those air cleaner and everything. Yan po mga ka YouTube channel, ito yung trabaho ko, nandito po sa Caterpillar Truck Africa with my boss Harold. So actually he is a Canadian citizen, but instead of he's going to Canada, he helped his family company. So he's my boss Harold. So he helped me about engineering division. Okay, thank you so much, and God bless us. And the guys, Abdurrahman. Okay, thank you. Okay, start please. Already, so shut down, buddy. It will work. Right. now, our problem is solved already. So, shut down, buddy. Solved our problems, Boss Haron. So,
Try again.
yeah, try again, Ibrahim.